Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will show you an example in Node.js Express on how to upload files to an server inside Node.js Express using an HTML form. And in the last tutorial, I showed you the Malter library. In this tutorial, I will show you one other library which is very famous in Node.js Express, which is called as Formidable. 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 So if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package. This is also similar to Malter, but it's also very popular. So the command is simple. Simply execute this command to install this package. I've already installed it. It's almost having 13 million downloads. It's a pretty popular file uploading library inside Node.js and Express. So apart from that, you also need to install the Express package, which is used to build the web server, which is the number one framework for building web applications inside Node.js. So also install this as well. So I basically built out this application. If you see, it is running it on localhost 3000. So if I try to open this in the browser, I will simply go to the URL localhost 3000. So it will actually be showing a simple form. So let me just restart the application. So it will be having a simple form where we will be able to upload files. So we have this choose file button. So here you can actually select any file. It can be image, video, or any sort of file. So if I select, let me just select the image. So as soon as I select this JPG image and just as I click the upload button, you will get this notification after uploading file is uploaded. It has given a random name and plus the extension. So you already created this uploads directory where all the uploaded files will be there. So you can see this is your image file which is successfully uploaded. We can upload more files. If I go to select the file, click on upload, and once again, as soon as you upload the file, you will be receiving this file in the folder. So I will show you step by step how to configure this. So let me delete everything and start from scratch. So just install these two packages. After installing it, now just first of all we need to start the Express server. So for this we need to require it first of all. So we simply require the Express server, and then we also need to require the Formidable package as well, which will be required for file upload. So we can import this like this. And then we also need the path module as well, which is a built-in module of Node.js. And then we initialize a simple Express application. So we initialize it, and this application will be listening on. So we use the listen method. So it will be listening on port 5000, and we can give it a callback function. So here we can simply console log a message that your app is listening on port 5000. So now we can simply bind a simple route. So when someone goes to the home page, we can actually show a index.html file right here. For this, we can create this file right here, index.html. So this will be the file which will be shown to the user when someone goes to the home page. And right inside this file, we will have a simple form where the user will be able to select a file, then upload this to the server. So this method will be post encoding type. This attribute is required whenever you're working with files. So encoding type multipart / form data, and inside this we will have a simple input field, input type file, and we'll give it a name attribute here, and then we will have a button which will say upload. So button type will be of submit. So this is a simple HTML form, and now to show it we can simply reference this file here. So we can send this file. So it is present in the same directory index.html. So we are simply showing this index.html file when someone goes to the home route. So if I refresh localhost 3000, you will see this HTML form is shown right here. We just restart the application. So at this moment of time, if you try to, so it is localhost 5000 because the port number that I configured is localhost 5000. And if you try to submit a file, click on upload, you will get this error because we haven't defined the post request yet. So just go to this index.js, and first of all you need to we imported this Formidable module, and right here we need to configure this post request slash upload. So inside this post request, we now just need to go to the form, and right here just add this attribute of action. This action attribute will redirect the form. As soon as you submit the form, it will go to this post request slash upload. So whenever it goes to it, we need to actually get the information of the form. For getting the information, we initialize this Formidable library. It contains this function of incoming form, and right here we pass an object. So this object contains two properties. So the first property here will be where you need to store all your files, so upload directory. So here we'll be referencing the directory that we configured, which will be uploads. So just make sure that you create a directory where all your files will be stored. So I'm just creating this uploads directory. So all the uploaded files will be going there. So that's why we are referencing there. And now the second property is, if you want to keep the extension, it's a Boolean parameter. So I will say true. I need the extension as well. After you do this, now it contains a function of parse. So it is used to parse the data which is coming, and then it's a callback function like this. So if any sort of error take place, then we can show a error message and return the status of 500. If no error is there, if the files are uploaded, so it's a simple function, callback function. Whenever all your files are uploaded, this function will fire. And now to call this function, we first of all get all the uploaded files by using this files dot. So here you just need to make sure that whatever name attribute that you have given, this needs to be the same. So right in the index.html file, we're given this name attribute of file. This needs to be same. So after you do this, now we can extract the file name. Once the file is uploaded, we can easily get the file name by using this the uploaded file dot file path. From that file path, we can extract the file name, and then we can simply send out a simple notification message that your file is successfully uploaded. So that's all that the configuration process is for this Formidable library. So if you refresh your application, go to this and again choose a file, click on upload. You will see files is not defined on line number 25. It is saying files is not defined. Just make sure that you define this files. Sorry, this needs to be in the same function. Oh, sorry, this needs to be in the same. I forgot. So just need to make sure that you write all this code in the parse function. So write in this function that you have form.parse. You just need to make sure that you write all this code right here in this. So now this files is accessible right here. All the files which are uploaded. So here we can get this. So again, if you refresh now, select the file, click on upload. So you will get this notification that file is uploaded, and you will get this file in the uploads directory. So if I try to upload any other file right here, click on upload, again your file will be uploaded. So in this easy way guys, you can use this package of Formidable in Node.js and Express for file uploading. It's really easy setup to do. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and also check out my website freemediatools.com guys, which is a tool based website which contains unlimited number of tools. And thank you very much for watching this live stream.